Hello! In this video, we'll explore how to use the Stable Diffusion XL model easily and for free using Google Cloud. After logging into Google Cloud, we're in a new project. From the landing page here, navigate to the Model Garden. This is Google Cloud's repository for various proprietary and open source models. In the Model Garden, you have two options for finding the Stable Diffusion XL model. You can either use the facet filters on the side or directly search for models. Let's use the search option and look for Stable Diffusion XL. One of the great features here is that not only can you deploy this model and use it in notebooks, but there's also a free option available for using Stable Diffusion XL right in the interface. To get started, simply enable the model. From there, you have the choice to either use it for free directly in the interface or proceed with deployments to obtain your own API endpoint. After enabling the model, you can generate an example output. In this case, it appears to be an image of a monkey playing a saxophone. This demonstrates the model's capability to generate creative and diverse images based on text prompts. Of course, you can experiment with different prompts and settings to explore the full range of what Stable Diffusion XL can do. This free interface is an excellent way to test and familiarize yourself with the model's capabilities before deciding whether to deploy it for more extensive use. If you find that you need to scale this to production use cases and are comfortable with the associated costs, the process is straightforward. All you need to do is click the Deploy button, and Google Cloud will provide you with an API endpoint. This endpoint allows you to integrate Stable Diffusion XL into your own applications or workflows, giving you more flexibility and control over how you use the model. Thank you very much for watching, and please enjoy responsibly.